Welcome to Simple Daily English. Good morning, everyone. Today is a beautiful sunny day. Max and I are finally on our vacation by the sea. The air is salty and the weather is perfect.
Hello, friends. I am so excited. Look at the water. It is so blue and clear. The sun is very bright and the sky has no clouds. I am so happy to be at the beach today. It is my favorite place in the world.
Me too, Max. The beach is the best place to relax and forget about work. But first, we need to find a good spot on the sand to put our things. We don't want to be too far from the water.
Let's stay here, near the shoreline. I have a big, colorful beach towel. I will put it on the ground so we can sit down.
Great idea. I have a large beach umbrella. It is very important to have some shade because the sun is very strong today, and we need to protect our skin.
You are right, Lily. I don't want to get a painful sunburn. My skin is very pale. Do you have any sunscreen in your bag?
Yes, I have a big bottle of SPF 50. Here, put some on your arms, your legs, and your face. Don't forget your ears.
Thank you. Now I feel safe. I also have my sunglasses so I can see better and a straw hat to protect my head from the heat.
Now we are ready. Max, look at the ocean. The waves are very small and gentle today. It is perfect for swimming or just splashing around.
I want to go into the water right now. But wait, I need my flip-flops. The sand is very hot and it burns the bottom of my feet.
Oh, the water is very cool and refreshing. It feels wonderful on my skin. Come in, Max.
I agree. It is beautiful. Lily, look down. I found a beautiful seashell under the water. It is pink and white and very smooth.
It is lovely, Max. Many people collect shells on the beach as a hobby. If you look closely at the rocks, you can even find small crabs or tiny fish in the tide pools.
I want to see a dolphin. Sometimes they swim near the shore and jump out of the water. That would be amazing.
Maybe we will be lucky today. Max, do you want to play a game? I have a colorful beach ball in my bag. I can blow it up.
Yes, let's play. That was fun. But now I am hot again. I want to sit on the sand and build a sandcastle.
I have a bucket and a spade. Let's build a very big castle with 4 towers and a bridge.
We should use wet sand from near the water. It is easier to build with because it sticks together. Look, my tower is very tall.
It is excellent, Max. You are a great sand artist. We can use the seashells you found to decorate the walls.
Lily, I am getting very thirsty. It is hard work building a castle. Do you have any cold drinks in the cooler bag?
Yes, I have cold water, some orange juice, and some fresh, sliced watermelon.
Watermelon is the best snack for a vacation by the sea. It is sweet, cold, and has a lot of water.
This is so peaceful. I love the sound of the ocean. It is a very relaxing sound, like music.
I like watching the boats in the distance. Look over there. Is that a sailing boat? It has a big white sail.
Yes, it is. And over there, I see a jet ski. It is going very fast and making a lot of noise.
That looks exciting. But today I prefer to stay on the beach, listen to the waves, and relax.
Max, look at the sky now. The sun is starting to go down. It is time for the sunset. It is the most beautiful part of the day.
The sky is turning orange, pink, and purple. It is like a painting. This is a perfect vacation. I'm very happy we came here.
I agree. Vacations are very important. They help us rest our minds and our bodies so we have more energy when we go home.
Friends, let's review our beach and sea words for today. Beach, the place where the land meets the ocean. Sunscreen, the cream that protects your skin from the sun. Waves, the moving lines of water in the sea. Sandcastle, a house or castle you build with sand. Seashell, a hard, pretty object from a sea animal.
Friends, do you like the beach and the sea? Or do you prefer the mountains and the forest for a vacation?
Do you like to swim in the deep ocean? Or do you just like to sit on the sand and read a book or listen to music?
Tell us in the comments. It is a great way to practice your English holiday vocabulary and tell us about your life.
If you liked our trip to the sea today, please give us a like and share the video.
And subscribe to our channel for more English conversations with Lily and Max. We love learning and traveling with you.
Now, I am going to take one last photo of this beautiful sunset with my phone.
Good idea, Max. It is a great memory. Have a wonderful evening, everyone.
Goodbye. See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.